Welcome back sa aming bagong episode at sa video na ito ay skip muna tayo sa motovlogging. Pupunta tayo ng Manila Ocean Park, Star City at sa Philippine Biodome. At sa description sa baba ay ishashare ko sa inyo yung aming mga online bookings kung saan kami nag-book ng hotel, ng tickets, and anything. Mula ngayon ay magagawa na rin tayo ng mga family vlog episode habang wala pa tayong nagaganap na motocamping or motorcycle vlogging. Watch and enjoy guys until the end of the video. Thank you!
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's a birthday.
Yes!
Where are we going?
Ocean Park!
Okay.
How old are you na?
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Very good. Big boy na talaga to. Hey Genesis, where are you going?
We're going to Ocean Park.
It's a birthday?
Yes.
Hey ikaw,
Please come in.
it's your birthday? No, it's not your birthday. Nice to meet you.
Guys,
Genesis,
This is not very daddy.
where are you going na?
we're going to Ocean Park. Wait, my daddy and dad.
Hi guys, what are you doing? Huh? It's your birthday? Ikaw birthday mo din?
Yes.
Eh, hindi mo birthday si kuya lang.
Hey, pick up.
Hey, let's go guys.
Tara na, Ayla!
Ayla!
Ayla! Tara na, we're going.
We're here at the baby park terminal. Welcome si Ayla ha. Are you happy?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Four na.
Here?
Hey.
Are you happy?
It's happy.
Yes, I'm happy. It's a
Four to
4:26.
Okay, now let's go.
Let's go to our room.
But no, we don't need to.
Yay! We go inside. Isa sa kwarto.
Ay,
Yes.
what is this? It's our room.
Dati pwede pala dito na sila maligo.
Dali na, slide na doon. Genesis, go there. You hungry? Yes, very hungry.
Yes.
Ikaw? Bakit ice cream ini-eat mo? Dapat spaghetti.
Nag-eat ka na to.
Okay. Oh, wait lang. Hey, 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 be careful. Dito muna, okay? Uy, look. Look, Genesis, there's a lot of boat. Come here. It's the ocean park. It's the ocean park. Hmm? Look. It's the ocean park. It's the ocean park.
That way?
Yes.
Oh,
Hi guys.
swimming pool.
Swimming pool daw si Ayla. Patanggal na yung slipper.
Swim na.
Saka na slipper. Aka na yung slipper nyo. 4 feet lang siya.
What can you say? It's so cold.
Sakit na po kasi ay nasa paa. Naninipa kasi.
Hi. So cold. Say happy birthday, Genesis.
Happy birthday, Genesis.
Guys!
Hi, guys. Put me down.
Ay, bitaw!
Tara na sa Dinosaur Island. Let's go. Tama na swim. Let's go na.
Orasan ko may oras ba na? Yung orasan yan.
Hulo.
Happy birthday to me.
Sa balloon.
Mommy, had so much fun.
So much fun.
Yes, look at my shirt. Mommy, favorite.
Yeah, going to Star City na.
Pinakita pa niya. First stop. Pinakita niya talaga eh. Tapos sabi niya parang hindi na kayo makulit. Pinakita niya yung tamang.
Thank you po. What's that? Hello, what's that? Opo.
Nakabitaw na yan?
Dito na lang. Ayun lang. Genesis. Supernova.
Napakita pa rin yung star.
Aya. Aya. Genesis, look.
Genesis na ito camera.
Baba.
Yaho, bata.
Alexi. Very good naman. Ah, wala.
Genesis, susunod ko. Wala, undecided pa to.
Wala na. Nagstay na doon. Ayla naman?
Ano naman, oh. Loko, loko.
Tara na.
Yes! I love that one!
Ayla,
Ayla!
are you happy?
What's that?
Laglag ang 5K.
At least yung laruan.
Ano yung stroller, oh.
Ay, souvenir shop ba? Star.
We're going to sleep. Ha? Johnny sis, sleep na tayo, Johnny sis. Eh, patingin ako ng iyong pajama. Johnny sis, tomorrow punta na tayo Ocean Park.
Genesis, that is up to you.
Hey,
Genesis. We're going to? Tomorrow we're going to? Tomorrow we're going to? Where are we going tomorrow?
I'm going to Sunbike.
Yay, Ocean Park.
hey, what are you eating? There's so many scrambled egg. Ayla is sleeping. Iwan ka. Iwan ka sa breakfast. Ito nga may pre-breakfast. Eh si Mami, kumukuha ka ng food. Hey Genesis, say Mami, faster.
Dami-dami tao sa Toronto natin.
Kawawa naman ito.
It's day 3.
Day 2 lang. It's day 2.
Mamatanda ko.
Oh, Genesis.
Magila sa black. Are you happy?
Picture kayo doon, dali. Genesis. Ha? Ano yan?
Daddy, is it my birthday?
Yes! Ayla, what's that? Ayla, what's that?
Look, Genesis. What is that? Wow!
Dito ka muna.
The yellow fish. Look! What fish is that?
What's that?
I don't know. It's
Parang snake siya.
Sabi daw kay Genesis, ang pangit ito mag-angle.
Tama.
Daddy, what's
Ito tayo dito.
my surface?
Are you happy?
Yes.
Look!
Fish! Fish!
What's that?
What?
Tara.
I don't know, Daddy.
lionfish. Genesis, it's a lionfish. It's a lionfish.
Lionfish?
Look at the camera. It's a lionfish.
What is this?
Ay, anak, video to. Live.
What?
Genesis, what's that?
It's the elephant fish.
Let's go. What? Look. Oh. Stingray? Ayun na, stingray. Ayun na, stingray. Ayun na, stingray. Stingray! Ha?
Ito madaming maliit.
Hey, are you happy?
Yes, yes.
Are you happy? Nasaan na yung stingray? How are you? Happy birthday, Genesis. Say hi.
Bawal na pa, Genesis. Ano ba? Ayun. Ayun, napasunod.
Ikaw lang yung medyo. Dali. Hindi, tama. Uy, what's that? Shark! Genesis! Look up, it's a shark! Shark din yan, no? Shark? Shark. Hold kay mami, hold sa stroller.
Oo, nakadali. Gano'ng kulog. Genesis?
Hey, Genesis yun yung penguins.
Asaan?
Ayun, penguins. Gusto mo magpakain ng penguin?
Oh, si Genesis. Kayong dalawa.
No, don't eat it.
700.
Birthday niya mo ano eh. Ayun o. May picture pang kasama.
Ito na yun. Look at the penguins. Oh, yun na, penguin. Nagsiswim yung penguin, no?
May pila ata.
It's a penguin. It's a penguin. Yun na, penguin. Ayun na, penguin.
Huwag na si Ayun.
Hoy, are you okay? Hey, what are you doing? Saan ikaw punta? Taka penguins?
Ayla, tawag ka ni Daddy.
Are you going to Penguin? Punta ka Penguin?
Nilagay niya penguin, ganun-ganon.
Genesis, come here. Paano walk ng Penguin?
Ano ba ang penguin? Ah, gano'n. Tapos ay natin.
Game mo sa Penguin. Okay, let's go.
Let's go now.
Genesis, come here. Pepe, pa natin yan.
What is it? Okay, ka? Are you happy?
Are you happy na? Lalim yan. Magsising ka dyan. Eat muna tayo rice, okay? Ipunta na tayo na si Lion Show. Ha? Doon tayo sa ano?
They have flattened body, triangular head, and distinctive pairs of spiky scales. In the wild, they are omnivores, consuming insect, vegetation, and occasional fruits. As pet, they communicate through.
You want to touch? Scary snake? What's that?
Do you want to see the bird show? So join us today as we show you what wares.
This bird can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Their new bird, the show was officially started. A round of applause for Chaco with trainer Ace. And the winner is Shasi. Bodies are also Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Cockatoo amolosensis. This bird can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Hey, buddy, flies over! What you gonna do, buddy? And he gets the money and flies back. And I think buddy just donated the money. Round of applause to our boy. Homing ability, meaning they will generally return to his nest and mates. So a round of applause to our raptors in our homing region. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to take.
These do have feathers. The answer is rock. Incorrect. Check it out. Service of rocky birds. 5 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is so fast. And another one. She deserves it. People on the ground, are you ready? Guys.
Ayla, patuloy mo si Ayla.
Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Now think the rings. Come on, ladies, get those rings. And take it. A round of applause for Isis and Ira. Greet your ladies. Roll balance. Third one. Let's move it! Alright, up your hips, everybody, come on! And on the other side, round and round. Alright, ladies, show them what you got. Arriba! And for the finale, Yeehaw! A round of applause for the line friends and for the singers as well for that great dance number. Wow! Take and my moms can dance in the natural environment. So let's keep our slowly sleep. As a cooperation, there are many other threats to their survivals all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting.
Ay, no turtle.
What's this?
Iguana daw.
Iguana, John.
Iguana to. Iguana.
Ano na ito na ko?
Turtle. It's a gecko. It's a gecko. Iguana. Frog. Frog. It's a frog. It's Hedgehog Sonic. It's Hedgehog. Para ano sila?
Parang ta.
Hindi pa lumaki ng super.
Oh, panday.
Pag nakita ka ng ganun sa daan, tatakbo ka. Genesis ito, small snakes. Genesis. Genesis, this one, small lang. Small lang. Ito, Chinese python. Liit. Dahil ayun, no? Ayun. Sleeping. Sleeping. Ayan pa, baby. Oh. Snake.
Ah, yeah. Hello, Riz.
Hello, real snake.
Baby, you want touch snake?
Touch snake?
That's why na, that's why. That's why na. That's why.
Ayaw.
I was like that. Scared ka na din.
Snake ilan? Kanina pa lang.
Sorry.
Dahil sa scared pa lang.
Hey, what's that? Birds? Oh my golly, it's so good.
Pagani.
How old is that?
Sabi ko, crocodile.
Nakikita ni Aya. Oo nga Ayun no, crocodile, Ayla.
Baka pwedeng maglakaran sa ilalim.
Mali ka no?
It's a crocodile, Genesis. Ano yan? Ella, what's that? Tuntua si Ayla.
Magtawa sa iyo.
Oy, wait mo lang si Daddy. Genesis, come here. Yun ang birds nasa taas. Yun yung mga birds. Let's go. Hindi, tulak mo lang. Tail.
Kaya nagkalaro si crocodile.
San Conyor. Baby, birds, oh. Ayan, oh. Baby, birds. Na, tutulog yung kakatails.
Diyan! Wait!
Ayun! Ito yung pwede kanina. Tilapia o ang laki. Look at behind you.
Nasabi na tayo na.
Gusto mo dun sa crocodile?
Narinig mo, nagalit siya.
Eh, yo, bakit mo ano yung shoes ko?
Sabi niya.
Yan yung tunay. Tulak mo. Ano to yun?
Yan ang tunay natin.
Yan, gumalaw. Tunay. Hindi na gumalaw. Eh, sila yun? Genesis, what's that? Ayla, what's that? Hey, what's that? Yan ang mga sa lilo. Tutuwa si Jenny.
Narin na tutain na.
Kain ng sila yan, Mari. Ayun, namangat. Say hi.
Uy, ma!
Happy ka?
Yes!
Pawisan ka na eh. Yun na ulit. Genesis, yun na ulit. Let's go.
Baka sina yan! Bye! Okay.
Bring mo, dali. Look at the camera. Slide ka dun, dali.
Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Hey camera, are you coming? Wait. Let's go.
Dito na nagtatapos ang ating episode at para sa aking anak, happy birthday. Mas masaya kami ng iyong mami tuwing ikaw ay nakikita namin nakangiti at masaya. At kung hindi ka pa naka-like, share, and subscribe, pwede mong pindutin yung button dyan para updated ka sa mga susunod naming episode. Thank you!
So ikaw,